So I took that melody and I put it into our Garifuna, okay? Initially I had it, he senti bono, he senti nabo, sunwagia idu heyo, o burabana, o burana buge, itarawa malau isieni, okay? But I took it again and I changed it into the count word, Garifuna counting words, and it goes like this. Aba biama uruwa gaduru sengu sisi sedu widu nefudisi Gabahu daditina lida garifuna. Normally, what the kid's gonna eat, you know what the kid's gonna eat? They're gonna eat gaga da 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 garifuna. They usually eat that up. But I know you guys gonna get it. So we're gonna start from here, the eating part. Gabahu. You're gonna go say gabahu. Let me hear that.
Gabahu.
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 And then we're going to make this easy. Daddy.
Daddy.
So Gabahu Daddy.
Gabahu Daddy.
And then this is Tina.
Tina.
So they got Gabahu, they got Daddy, and they got Tina. So you go Gabahu Daddy Tina.
Gabahu Daddy Tina.
Yes, and that's it. Once you say that, then you just say Lida Garifuna.
Lida Garifuna.
Lida Garifuna.
Lida Garifuna.
You gotta say it like Lida Garifuna.
Lida Garifuna.
Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. Let me hear that. Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. So that is low. Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. Let me hear that. Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. Again. Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. So everything else is going to be easy now. It goes Aba Biama Uruwa Gaduru Sengu Sisi Sedu Widu Nefudisi Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. Again. Aba Biama Uruwa Gaduru Sengu Sisi Sedu Widu Nefudisi Gabahu Daddy Tina, Lida Garifuna. Now let's do that with some drumming. You guys are awesome, okay? You know, I've always known you guys, Garifuna, to be smart people. You know?
Amen.
You know, and the thing is, this language, as much as they, you know, the British, I'm going to have to mention the British because they were the one who came to Urume, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. They were the one who literally, you know, took our people and exiled them. And this is what all of us need to know. You know, it's not a fun thing to be going around living your life without thinking about the wrong that was done to Garinagu people. And it doesn't make sense for us to be standing today and not think about what our ancestors went through. Okay? I feel like all of us are here because we are resting on the shoulders of those who came before us. And it's, you are a spokesperson. Each and every one of us supposed to stand up, not necessarily with a gun or a knife or anything to fight or to kill people with, but we can fight with our mouth. We can fight with our actions, okay? For us to come together, that it seems as if it's the most difficult thing to do. But you know something? If we do that, if we have one voice, you know, we can be very powerful because we were powerful once and we can be powerful again. But we need to put our minds together and start thinking, less as an individual. We have to think as a community. Okay? So I went there because I know that I always have to put in some history into whenever I'm teaching, okay? So I'm going to use the drums now so that we can sing this, and then we can go to the next song. We have a lot of time.
Can you tell us what it means, or you don't?
I will.
Oh,
I
okay,
definitely will. I just want you to get it,
That's okay.
and then it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. You'll get it. Let me hear it. Let me model for you. Yes. And to answer your question, ma'am, when it comes to the translation, I know that is very important. And so this right here, Abba is one. And then you can figure it out because Biama is two. And see, that's what happened when we're mature. You can figure things out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Gabahu Daditiwa, Lida Garifuna means we all can count in Garifuna. Okay? Gabahu Daditiwa, Lida Garifuna. We can count Gabahu Daditina. If you see Tina, Na means me, my. So Gabahu Daditina means I can count. But if you see W, Gabahu Daditiwa, like that word wagia, it means us. It means we, or us. Nuguya is I, or me. So this comes from wagia, okay, wagia, which means we, or us. And then nuguya means me, I, exactly. So if you see Gabahu Daditina, it means I can sing. Gabahu Daditiwa, we can sing. So we can all say Gabahu Daditiwa because it's going to be we can sing. But if you by yourself, Gabahu Daditina, I can sing. Okay? Lida Garifuna. You got that?